Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech. Welcome back to another episode of Caffeine and Crypto, where I welcome you to join me with your favorite caffeinated beverage, coffee, water, tea, whatever, as we go over some crypto. Basically, we're still moving sideways. Nothing new. We're still moving sideways. A lot of things. A little drama this week. A little drama, but nothing too crazy. We all know the market loves drama. Bitcoin just chilling around. Good buying opportunities. Pretty much here in May. Like, think about it. Bitcoin and most of the crypto market is at a severe discount right now. So, I would say good buying opportunities. Not financial advice, but definitely good buying opportunities. Ethereum falling heavier than Bitcoin. Well, there were some things that happened. Did a video on it, posted it last night. Most of my videos are recorded in advance, but then released weeks later. I do apologize, but that's my schedule. Sometimes I do catch a more recent news event, and then I post a video about it. We had a reorganization, 7 blocks deep, on May 25th. We had a miner trolling the developers on a test net, and yesterday's dev meeting showed that what the plan was as far as stopping impacts from miners during that test net, so they can move by increasing the TTD, and then the projected block times over, like, look at that. So right now, our block times are around 13, 14 seconds. As we move forward, because the difficulty bomb went off, block times will increase. They need to get the merge done prior to the block times being all like crazy. The dates that I said in that video to keep an eye on was June 2nd for Bellatrix, June 8th, and then early July, because we're going to be between 16 and 18 second blocks. And I believe there is another major upgrade that we need to keep an eye out for as we lead closer into the Ethereum merge. Will they delay it? Well, they're not going to delay the difficulty bomb. There is a Ropsten TTD Postmortem. They increased it extra high, basically 2 times the mainnet difficulty, so that way, the miner will have to buy XYZ hash power in order to actually impact it. But the merge is still going on ahead of time. They don't want to delay the difficulty bomb because they want that pressure to keep moving forward. And even I, as a miner, agree that they need to move forward with the Ethereum merge, because if they delay it anymore, they're just hurting themselves. They're shooting themselves in the foot. I know that gives us more time for mining. We still might have more time for mining, right? August, September is still my projected outlook. I've been calling for that for months now. That's what the ETH devs and Vitalik called for. So we're still looking at that timeline. But yeah, some issues, some things that need to be done. So Ethereum sinks as Beacon Chain suffers a reorg issue. Other alts red, and Bitcoin struggles to hold 30K. Moving down here, I forgot to put articles. But basically, as Ethereum readies for the highly anticipated merge update, its network has a few hiccups. The merge plans to shift Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake, making the blockchain more energy efficient. On Wednesday, Ethereum's crucial beacon chain or proof of stake chain experienced a reorg issue, which could present a potential security risk for the network. Client teams have been scrambling to understand the situation so that they can figure out what to fix. For the last couple of hours, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik mentioned or tweeted this could have been added to Ether's price route. Other altcoins are suffering, and Bitcoin's largest cryptocurrency is down or struggling as well. The reorg could have, right, because we're looking at how Ethereum dropped relative to Bitcoin. It could have added to the price route. It could have. I don't think that's a major point of it. I think, honestly, and this is just my personal opinion and speculation, People are probably getting out of it. People are probably getting out of Ethereum, and they're just gonna take their profits and get the heck out, move on with their lives, start venturing into other cryptocurrencies. We've been seeing a lot of whales. If you watch Whale Alert, this, that, and the other Twitter, we've seen a lot of whales exchange ETH or WE for other altcoins. Chainlink, Shiba Inu whale bought millions of those. So a number of other altcoins. Ethereum's price dips below 1.8k support as bears prepare for Friday 1.1 billion options expiry. And I could have been the big one right there, right? So they needed to be below, for the bears to win below 1800 on the 27th, for the bulls to win above 1800. And then obviously it dipped down below 1800. We started the new day overnight. New day here in the East Coast of the United States, but this is always UTC. And now we're coming back up. I would say the low hit the same low as back over here on the 12th, 1700. Where do I see us going here? Well, we could go down further, right? So the market could go down, but here's the cool thing, and I put this in the title. Ethereum dipped more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin? No. Dipped more than Bitcoin. And I always told one of my colleagues that, because the cryptocurrency market is so correlated with the traditional stocks, we need someone to separate. Either Bitcoin needs to decouple or Ethereum needs to decouple. Somebody needs to decouple. So could this be Ethereum decoupling from following Bitcoin, right? Which follows the traditional stocks. And then all the altcoins would follow Ethereum, which could lead to, positive, right? You always got to stay positive, even though it's a real downturn right now. I think that could be a good thing. If Ethereum did decouple and Bitcoin continued to stay correlated with traditional stocks, I believe the altcoins would follow Ethereum, therefore giving us a better price. However, we want Bitcoin really to decouple from traditional stocks, and Bitcoin is the one true one. But yeah, issues for Ethereum. What does that mean? Well, we have to wait and see until this merge happens, guys. And by the way, don't get it twisted. The merge is not going to fix the pricing, right? The high gas fees you're having to pay for transaction. The merge is not going to fix that. I don't know why people keep thinking that. We've been saying that since EIP 1559. It's not going to fix it, damn it. But they do need to nail the merge. They didn't make sure everybody's on the same page. They do need to get it done. They need to do some testing. And when you're doing testing on a test net and somebody's throwing a stick in your bike spokes, it kind of messes you up. But I thought it was kind of funny. Not funny, funny but not funny. I don't know. Anyways, a bear market, merge, investor sentiment. What impact will bear market merge have on Ethereum? Well, I can tell you my personal thoughts, but first let's go over this. So for years, speculators have pointed to the merge as the event certain to boost Ethereum's token price to the sky high levels, perhaps even surpassing that of Bitcoin. I don't know about that. Why this should occur has always been vague. Okay, it's difficult to point to many Ether prices fundamentals, while POS or proof of stake will change some of Ethereum's tokenomics, Ether's price, like that of most other crypto. Who wrote this? Cryptocurrencies is mainly a reflection of generally market sentiment, with the bear market seemingly poised to last through August. Market sentiment once the merge hits is likely to be a resounding meh. Okay, in short, the merge is going to be meh for the price. Like, meh. Okay? I don't know why we had to say all that to get to there. But anyways, while the nitty-gritty of the merge has not changed, the new context in which it will occur still feels relevant. The fact that Ethereum has entered a down market will have important implications for how the upcoming merge is received by its community and investors. And like I said, if they delay the merge, right, and they keep delaying the merge, I believe that's just going to have a negative impact on them, the community, the network. New investment is probably not going to want to jump in. So we'll have to see how things pan out in the long run. And really, these shadow forks are the biggest and best things for Ethereum, but we'll have to see how things pan out. Now, I'm adding some of these articles to the description to where you can go into it in a little bit more detail. I'll add some of the Tim Biko tweets and stuff like that I posted in yesterday's video, as well as the Ropsten Postmortem. But I lost a viewer, so let's get into what you're really here for. Dogecoin. That's right. That's right. I know you're all here for Dogecoin. Who cares about Ethereum? It's all about Doge. Dogecoin jumps on Elon Musk's SpaceX tweet. Tesla CEO said merchandise for his space exploration startup could soon be bought using the meme coin. The billionaire tweeted out Friday morning the price of Dogecoin jumped as much as 10% to nearly 9 cents immediately following the tweet, before recently settling to a gain of about 7.7%. In December, Musk announced that Tesla merchandise could be bought with Dogecoin, helped Dogecoin's price surge almost 33%. Where is the Doge on here? There he is. So we're at 8 cents basically. Let's see here. Doge fell all the way down to about what? 7 cents. Yeah, it's not really doing much. Didn't really do much. Thanks, Elon. Could have done better. Well, it did pump. Yeah. It did pump a little bit. But then settle back down. We have to see, right? As long as the overall market is meh, then we'll have to see what exactly happens. Look, I got 2 viewers for mentioning Dogecoin. Golly, that's crazy. I'm joking. If you guys just came on your own accord, it's cool. Elon Musk warns users against the latest deepfake cryptocurrency scam. Now, I'm just gonna go based off of what I know. You know how on YouTube you go to watch a video and there's like these videos before it and they're talking about like, oh yeah, this, that, and the other, this project, this, and they're not even talking about cryptocurrency, right? They're not even talking about cryptocurrency. They're more or less talking about other things, other discussions, political environment, stuff like that. And then around that video, they have, send 1 ETH and you'll get 2, and send 5 ETH and you'll get 3, and I don't know. Deep fakes are becoming more and more apparent. Now we've been reporting those videos on a regular basis. We have been reporting those videos on a regular basis. But there are so many, and they come so quick, and there's so many bots now. It's so hard to keep up. So it's going to be up to you to do your due diligence and double check. But yikes! Elon warns users against the latest deepfake crypto scam. Tesla CEO Elon Musk distanced himself from yet another fabricated video promoting a cryptocurrency scam. Originally shared on Twitter, the video in question was a deepfake of Musk purportedly promoting a cryptocurrency platform boasting 30% returns on crypto deposits. Scammers made use of the original footage from TED Talk featuring Musk and curator Chris Anderson at a TED conference in Vancouver in April this year. The tweet and video caught the attention of Musk himself, who had been increasingly active since his move to acquire a social media platform for an estimated $44 billion. The Tesla CEO and SpaceX founder replied to the video in his signature comical style. He says, Elon's deep fake video promoting a new cryptocurrency scam going viral. The video claims that the trading platform is owned by Elon Musk and offers 30% returns on crypto deposits. Yikes. Death, not me. So, yeah. Be careful. Stuff happens on the internet. And then you get scammed and then you lose money and then you're mad. So, it's unfortunate. It's stuff like this that's going to get the eyes. Well, they already have the eyes of the regulators and the governments and stuff like that. And they're going to point to this as evidence as to why crypto is bad or why XYZ is bad or this, that, and the other. But this has no bearing on Bitcoin, its values, Ethereum, its core use cases. So there are some cryptocurrencies out there that have tangible benefits, But then there's some cryptocurrencies that the only benefit is that you gain APY or APR, or you gain additional assets just by holding or buying XYZ of their cryptocurrency. That doesn't do anything for me, really. I really don't care for that. Like, so Terra's 20% interest on their platform, and then it went to crap and everybody lost their savings. They were hoping to keep it in there for a long time, continue to earn 20% plus over the time, but unfortunately not. So we got the FTC, or Federal Trade Commission, releasing a report estimated that over 80 million worth of cryptocurrency was stolen from unsuspected victims over a 6-month period. It's a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money. So please do not fall for these scams. If there's anybody in the comments of this video promoting this, hacker noon, hacker this, check out this guy, he made me millions. Like, don't fall for it, guys. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. Bitcoin breaks from stocks and keeps on falling as crypto slides. We need Bitcoin to separate from the traditional stock. We need it to. We need it to. 100% we need it to. The decoupling, as they call it here, correlation between Bitcoin and NASDAQ has weakened. 100%. Yes. So the stocks are going up, and I'm sorry for your ears. I'm tired and I'm feeling spicy. All right. Just gonna have to leave me. Let me flow. Nasdaq, as you can see here in the red line, and Bitcoin here, or XBT, in the black line. They went this way. All right. So they went two separate ways. There was a fork in the road. They went woo. So that's good, guys. That's a good thing. It's a good thing. Even though crypto's down, traditional stocks are going up. Let them go up. Let them have their fun. Because eventually, they're going to be moving sideways or go down, and we're just going to go wee right past them. So, it's a good thing. Let's see here. What does this say? Bitcoin market share dominance highest since October 2021. Okay. So, January 5th, 2021, Bitcoin's dominance was 69.6%, while altcoins were at only at 30.4%. As we go out throughout the time frame here, it looks like the high was no way. Altcoins at 62.6%. On January 15th, 2022, altcoins dominance was 62.6% and Bitcoin was 37.4%. Hang on. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's go verify. You gotta be. Probably need to go 1 year. Where am I at? I'm looking at the wrong thing, aren't I? There it is. Okay. What in the hurl? Okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, so January 2nd, 2021, Bitcoin was at 71.89%. So that's about close to that 69 they were saying. January, I'm looking for January. Oh, wow, sure enough. Okay. That one says 39. Okay. All right. And that was because, you had a lot of altcoins getting into space, causing a lot of hype. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. What's this chart do? Sluggish Bitcoin. A digital asset is trading below key moving day averages, which it is. I mean, we fell pretty hard there. I mean, nothing you can do about it other than take it on the chin and keep it moving. But Bitcoin decoupling from traditional stocks is pretty good. All right, let's get some interaction with the live chat here. I usually try to cover the main topics at first, so that way my people who watch the video later on gets to the news I want to talk about. There is some more if you want to stay tuned or skip ahead. JP Morgan says Bitcoin has significant upside from here and could rise to 38K. So we got the banks supporting it. That was a little hot news yesterday. Nvidia's fighting back with a new Nvidia driver that tackles the LHR unlock. I'll talk more about that later. how to value Bitcoin mining companies. Anthony Papiano tweeted this out yesterday, and I figured I should save it. Where people are investing in crypto mining companies, but you shouldn't just invest willy-nilly. You should do some actual research into the overall operation, the company itself, who manages it, who runs it, how they run it, before you go investing in cryptocurrency mining companies, because cryptocurrency mining doesn't always correlate to the price of cryptocurrency. You see what I'm saying? So if you're going to invest in cryptocurrency mining instead of investing in yourself to build your own mining company, then make sure you do your research on those companies before you just go diving in. Then Terra backers vote to revive Luna, but not UST after 60 billion crypto collapse. So I believe Terra, people are gonna get like 30% of Terra was released yesterday, I think, something like that. I don't know. I cared for this cryptocurrency, but I didn't really care for it that much, and I wasn't impacted because I wasn't in that particular market. And then increasing acute need for crypto native insurance. We'll hang on to that and the rest of this money after I interact with the live chats. Don't forget, hang tight, and we'll get right back to it. So let's see what's going on here. All right, everybody's just saying good morning, Seb. Happy dictator. Your name, bro. NCJ, Little Time Mining, Magic Lucky. We got a 3-day Def Cross coming to ETH. I think we're going to go down a bit more, says the dictator. Well bought dip on Shiv yesterday. 2.5 terahash farm moved to Ergo Solo. Nice. Little Time Mining MC. J Bohannon. Crypto Whale. Oh, we got a Crypto Whale in here. What are you buying? What are you buying? Tell us. It's the institutional weak hands, yes. They make more when it goes down. Yeah, true, very true. And need our DeFi to work. Coffee is the best, yes. Florida Life, 100% agree. Cheers. Crypto McKell Raid, thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for that. MC Techman, thank you. Gundy. All right, why was this message held? Golden Wolf, send me 1 BTC and I'll send you ETH back. See, you couldn't even post it in the live chat, but they'll let it run on a video. Isn't that some All right. Yep, these deep fakes live. All right, cool. Fiat's best. Magic Lucky, altcoin hype, such as Luna, 100%. All right. Small positions. All right. So I really do not care for the market. Like, what it's doing has no correlation to what I'm doing. I can tell you that much. I will continue to mine this cryptocurrency, that cryptocurrency, this other cryptocurrency. I will continue to dollar cost average into my favorites, right? The ones that have been around for years and will more than likely be around for years. I'm not going to go jumping into some new, like, oh, guys, look, what's trending? Let's go look at the trending. Oh, look, let's get into Spice USD because it's up today. No, man. Look at the volume, bro. You can't even see the market cap. Bro, chill. Or like, let's go to the biggest gainers. Look at the biggest gainers. Oh my God, this coin is up almost 500%, but it's only got 150,000 in trading volume. This coin's up 280%, but it's only 73. Like, the trading volume should tell you, like, you'll have this coin is up 1,000%, but like somebody put $1,000 in and that's it, and it was like 1/trillionth of a penny. Like, I don't know why people do this, but the game is, though, and this is how they get you. The game is, just to give you a little heads up if you didn't know, there's a lot of sandwiching, flash bots, algo trading happening in the background where somebody can execute a trade where they buy this coin, swap it for this coin, trade it for this coin, sell it for this coin, and made a quick profit. And that's going on magically. Instead of automatically, get it? Never mind. Anyways, you see that volume and you're like, people are trading this coin, guys. Oh, wow, look, this coin is pumping. It's like, no, it's automated. Don't fall for it. You know, people are just, using it to get a quick flip, right? New coin comes out. They're like, okay, good. We can buy a bunch of this. We can sell it for this on this particular, because we got cross chain, right? On this particular platform, and then we could do it for this, and then we could trade it for this, and then we could sell it for this, and then boom, I made $100,000. I invested 50, but I made 100, so I doubled my money, you know. And then you see the trading volume, and it's like, oh wow, the trading volume's up. And I will say there's a minimum for me to trade a coin. There is a number in my head to trade a coin. What that is? Well, why would I don't want to tell you. Okay, maybe I'll tell you. It's at least 250,000. It's at least. So we're close. We're close, right? So this coin is 2,250,000. This coin's only 120,000. This coin's only 52,000. And this is the 24-hour volume, right? This is 24-hour volume. So a lot of these coins do hit. But again, I bet you $5 most of this is like algo trading bots. I promise you. Rat coins. What is this? What the is this? What is your point? Ratcoin is a highly deflationary token and a smart exchange system built into the ecosystem. Goose Loki Cat automatically sends Ratcoin rewards directly to your wallet. He is hyper deflationary and static reflection that rewards holders. So more baby rat coins are being automatically added to your wallet each transaction. Simply love and pet and hold as 2% from each transaction. See, nothing. You buy, you hold. There's a fee for when you sell. There's some stupid crap, and then you make fees from other people who sell or buy or whatever. Like, why? Why are these tokens plaguing this system? We need cryptocurrencies that change the world, that make the world a better place. Not just make money because they want to make money. And that's all that people care about these days, man. It's so fucking disappointing. Sorry, oops. It's disappointing. That's all that everybody cares about. They're selfish, they care about themselves, and all they want to do is make money, and they don't care about who they step on to get there. They don't care about who they stab in the back to get there. I'm pulling a son of a tech. See, son of a tech, this is your fault. You flipped out yesterday, and now I'm flipping out. Anyways, point being, cryptocurrencies, Satoshi created Bitcoin, and in my opinion, my speculation, for the people. It is no longer for the people because major hands in the institution, the higher ups, the rich, the famous have gotten into it. They're heavily invested in it. It's heavily correlated to the stock market. Now that it's decoupled, it's good. But it was originally intended for the people to transact no matter where they were, with no strings, no way to be stopped, no way to alter. And now it's all about Web3, DeFi, NFTs. That's all everybody cares about. And they just want to make their buck, right? New project comes out, everybody hops on it, it pumps up, and then everybody sells. Whoever keeps the bag suffers, and then they move on to the next coin. That's it's just a game of cat and mouse. Just pump, go, pump, sell, go, next coin. Pump, sell, go, next coin. Stupid. It's stupid. I like to support tokens. I like to get tokens that have tangible benefits, right? And I'm all down for game tokens. But anyways, that's just me and my personal opinion. You don't care about my opinion. Because if you did, you would subscribe and hit the notification bell and hit the like button and then comment that you agree. But you probably don't. And you're probably going to comment that you don't. And then you're probably going to hit dislike. And then you're probably going to go off to some other guy's video or girl's video and tell them that they suck as well. Anyways, moving on. JP Morgan says, Bitcoin has significant upside from here and could rise to 38K. The investment bank strategist led by Nicholas, I can't pronounce your last name, sorry, said on Wednesday, note that they believe Bitcoin, the world's leading digital asset, has significant upside potential after its recent fall. The strategist maintained that 38K price target for Bitcoin, which represents a potential 21% jump from the cryptocurrency's Wednesday morning trading level of 29,430. And right now we're at 20. Ooh, well, we just crossed into 29 again. Hey. JP Morgan now sees digital assets as hedge funds as its preferred alternative asset. with real estate being moved to the sidelines as the mortgage rates soar. However, the investment bank strategist also downgraded alternative investments as a whole to underweight from overweight, citing its present macroeconomic challenges. So, I mean, banks are bullish on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, stuff like that. Shouldn't you be? Like, I mean, I'm not telling you, like, don't bite off more than you can chew, right? Dollar cost average, get some exposure into various cryptocurrencies, but don't go ham and being like, oh, I'm gonna buy this S coin. Well, yeah, sport token. This is gonna be a millionaire one day. No, man. Bitcoin is the one true coin. Ethereum's, it's got some bumps. Got some bumps, definitely. But there are plenty of tokens out there that have tangible benefits that you can gain exposure in. And if you're one that doesn't know how to do sandwich trades or operate your bots in such a way, then hodl gang, right? That's what they say. Is that the term you kids use these days? You use kids. Hey, you guys. All right, so let's talk about Nvidia. Nvidia's latest driver update tackles crypto mining crack. Nvidia's latest graphics driver, I believe it's 512.95. I don't know which one I'm on. Actually, I'm not on any Nvidia driver. Hang on one second. I am on AMD driver because I got the 5950 in here. But where's the Nvidia driver? So I was on 512.59. 512.59 is what I was on. But the 512.95. Let's go to Nvidia driver. See what's over here. Pigeon brain coin. Crypto, you're making me laugh, bro. All right, so let's see here. Search. Well, production branch. That's new. Download type. New feature branch. Production branch. What the hell is that? Production branch drivers provide ISV certifications and optimal stability performance for Unix customers. This driver is most commonly deployed on enterprises, providing support for sustained bug fix and security updates. Okay. New feature branch provides early adopters and bleeding edge developers access to the latest driver features before they're integrated into production branches. Okay. So production is what you want. I forgot to choose my operating system. And yeah, so 5295. Let's go look at some of the beta drivers right here. Windows, DCH is what we want, but either one would work. So they don't even show what. All right, hang on. There you go, DCH. All right, so 512.96 and 512.95. Be careful of those. Looks like before that. So after May 12th, don't update your drivers. Okay. And what's going to happen is if you don't have Windows Update pause and Windows updates over time, not right now, update, it's going to force that driver on you. Like it tried to do with 470.05 on me. You got to stop Windows Update. But I don't think it really matters because eventually it's going to get cracked even more. So even if this driver, kind of hurts the mining performance of the GPUs on a Windows system, on the latest driver, I don't suspect it impacts Hive yet, especially if you're on the older driver. And if you're on Hive, you don't have to worry about Windows Update. You can just stay on that driver. You should be able to get the full hash rate still. But even with this driver and updates coming in the future from Nvidia, I think that the miners will get it cracked again or be able to, work around it. So video card spotted video proof of what will be disappointing news for some, showing graphics cards reduced again to approximately half of their potential Ethereum hash rate performance. Let's see here. They said I got a video. Where's the video? All right, I'm gonna play this for us, okay?
Salve, salve, galera.
All right, gotta mute you. Sorry, buddy. My Portuguese brother. Let's see what he's showing here. Oh my God, where's the HD? So yeah, that's a 3060 and it's at 25 mega hash. 3060 is at 25 mega hash. So GeForce Driver 51295 has now arrived and attractive features for gamers. So new game updates, right, for new Hitman 3, Sandrock, Sniper Elite 4. It brings improvements to the video is right here, son of a biscuit. To the gaming, but then it's also leading to reduce the benefits on mining Ethereum for those cards, unfortunately. Damn, it's only 11:37. I'm out of everything to talk about. All right, I guess you guys are just here to make let me look like a fool. Cool. I'll entertain y'all, even though I lost about 10 of you. I wouldn't worry about it. Honestly, wouldn't worry about it. Nvidia is probably trying to get it under wraps. Again, in my video, I mentioned, and I'll say it again right now to your face, Nvidia. Don't put LHR on the new series. It's a waste of your time and resources and money and your employees' times and your developers' times and your engineers' time and our time. It's a waste. LHR did not help the gaming community. It did not help them. Just focus on mass producing a bunch of the cards so that way gamers, enthusiasts, overclockers, CAD designers, and miners can all have a GPU. Focus on supply. Don't focus on limiting what and what, because guess what? If miners want it, they're going to get it, regardless. They were buying a bunch of the LHR cards in bulk anyways, weren't they? Weren't they, you liar? They were. They were buying all your LHR cards anyways, and you were just making a profit off of it. So stop. Don't put LHR on the new series or any series. Just focus on production, please. Stop being stupid. You're better than this. Yeah, so I wouldn't worry about it. Terra backers vote to revive Luna, but not UST after 60 billion in crypto. I wonder what's going to happen with that. So Terra 2.0 is coming. Proposal 1623 calling out the genesis of the blockchain and preservation of the community. I read somewhere that about 30% of tokens will go to pool of investors in Terra community. 35% will go to those who held Luna before the collapse. 10% will go to pre-collapse UST holders. A further 25% tokens will be allocated to traders who still own Luna and UST after the crash. Luna spiked more than 20% Wednesday. According to CoinGecko's data, UST was up over 50%. And what is it right now? Is there Luna 2? So there's Terra, Classic, and now there's Terra. Let's go look at Terra. So Terra is $5. Use the guide, rebrand, original Terra, da, da, da. Please read the page entirely as contains important information. Check out the exchange FAQ. Airdrop, all exchanges exclude from the whale cap. It's bonded Luna or the weights, transactions, da, da, da. All exchanges excluded. All right, so exchanges cannot be excluded from the whale cap. The genesis of Terra 2.0 will be generated programmatically by each validator using on-chain verifiable data, which means there's no way for them to verify individual user balances on exchange. Is bonded Luna included in the post-attack? Yes, along with liquid staking derivatives. Okay. So if you had some Terra, you may want to make sure that you're getting your money. It was just at $5. It was just at $5. I looked 2 seconds ago, and now it's that. What the heck is going on? Market cap's pretty high. Let's see here. I don't think we could buy this. Yeah, a lot of people on KuCoin got wrecked, bro. A lot of people on KuCoin got wrecked. You know, despite what happened, look at the supply. So the supply is a heck of a lot lower. Despite what happened, I have a feeling that people will still want to get into Terra instead of investing in, other cryptocurrencies. I don't know. I don't know if we can do it anymore, man. It spiked. Of course, some of the exchanges wouldn't allow you to sell. And now it's down even further. Yay! So there's Terra Classic and Terra V2. Official announcement regarding the migration can be found here. Due to the depegging of UST, Luna is experiencing extreme volatility. Please proceed with caution. Terra blockchain was also halted. Good job, guys. Good job. Yeah. Cool. Whatever. Anyways, increasing acute need for crypto native insurance. So a lot of the cryptocurrency exchanges that you're using nowadays are not FDIC insured. And I think if there was some type of insurance, maybe federally backed insurance, even though we don't want the government to be too heavily involved in crypto, they can regulate it, but we don't want them like maintaining it. I think that would still bring in a lot of traders, like knowing that if they lost their $100,000, that the government will be able to get their money back for them and stuff like that. Most of the exchanges do have a plan of attack, meaning like, you know, for example, NiceHash got hacked. They worked with Coinbase to pay back the people over time. Of course, most people got their money back, but not all. Celsius, Crypto.com, Coinbase, if something were to go wrong, unless you're a trillionaire and you're keeping trillions on an exchange for whatever reason, most people should get their money back. Should, keyword. I don't promise that, and I know there's inherent risk with leaving your money on exchange, which is why we say don't do that. Not your keys, not your coins, right? But yeah, there's the lack of crypto issuance, and we need to be aware of that before you go putting a lot of money on there. Striking lack of insurance protection for digital assets was specifically referenced to December's House Financial Services Committee hearings, the state of the market. Should the state of affairs persist, it does so at the risk of impeding future growth and adoption. Why have traditional issuers avoided entering the space despite the obvious need and opportunity? Traditional issuers face several fundamental impediments in responding to new risk class presented by crypto. The most basic of this is the lack of understanding of this often counterintuitive technology. Even with the technical understanding is present, challenges such as properly classifying new and nuanced risk types, example, those associated with hot and cold and warm wallets, and how myriad technology, business, and operational factors bear upon each of these remain. The problem is further compounded by rapid change in the industry, perhaps best exemplified by the seemingly overnight emergence of new and occasionally confounded risk classes such as NFTs or non-fungible tokens. So it makes it really hard. And I mean, look at the market. Look how much it's growing. Let's go. Where did I go? Look at how many cryptocurrencies there are now, guys. It's nuts. 19,626 cryptocurrencies. That's a lot. That's a lot. Most of it are, as Crypto Whale said, S coins. But that's a lot, man. It's a lot to try to keep an eye on, to manage, to pay attention to keep up with. You're killing me. You're killing me. You're killing me. Maybe it'll catch on. Maybe it'll catch on. I figured anything interactive, anything that brings a tangible benefit, like to the education system, to people's lives, it's not just about, hold my coin and I pay you this percent. It's about tangible benefits. That's what I'm looking for. What coins give us tangible benefits that make the world a better place, that help out? That's what I'm looking for. And honestly, I'm broke as a joke. I had to invest a lot of money into my house and fixing it up and stuff like that. So I just need to chill. Continue to mine, continue to stack those sats, dollar cost average, and everything will be fine. Right now, it looks like, holy crap. Bitcoin's got quite a bit. Look at all this. Ooh. Ethereum transactions. Gotta love it. I'm still scrolling. There it goes. And it still goes way down here. All right, cool. That's a lot of backlog right there. So transactions on the Ethereum is $1.33. That's not too bad. On Bitcoin, 62 cents. Blocks are getting filled up. Block times. Actually, let's go look at block times real quick. We're going to wrap up the stream here. If you have any questions, I'll check the live chat just a moment. Ethereum difficulty, because the great hash rate migration 2.0 started yesterday, but yeah. $26, it dipped down a little bit. It spiked up, probably somebody buying some hash power. Spiked up again, probably somebody buying some hash power, and then dropped down. So the low, 13.76. So about 1 petahash of miners dropped off of Ethereum. And we're doing the test for 72 hours. Oh, that's the difficulty. 1 petahash difficulty. There we go. 1.6. So what? 50. 106. What was the high? Yeah, 107 to, yeah, about 50 terahash of miners dropped off the Ethereum network. Let's go look at Ergo. And Son of a Tech is gonna do a live stream Monday because that's when it ends. Look at that spike. Got up to 17 terahash. So a number of people jumped on. 15. We're sitting around 14. And difficulty went down. It's not, unfortunately, the great hash rate migration is not as profound because people don't care. They just want to make their money and get the heck out. Respectable, understandable, but we just wanted to see what the heck happens. Like, what does it look like over a longer time frame rather than just a short time frame of 24 hours. We had a lot of participation in a 24-hour time frame, but 72 hours is a lot for people to switch their rigs and make less profit. I'm still making a pretty good amount mining Ergo, so it doesn't really matter to me. But anyways, let me go through some live chat stuff. You guys should check us out in the Great Hash Rate Migration Discord if you're not already in there. Let me get a link for y'all. Bring you back in. And let's see here. So for EM, SerpentX Tech, note that LHR actually hurts gameplay as well. Not much, but still. Yeah. It doesn't help anybody. So like Nvidia, stop. You're being stupid. Stop it. You're smarter than this. Alright, so I'm not sure how long Son of a Tech is planning on keeping this guy going, but I may drop as a one-time only because I hide my Discord behind a paywall on purpose because I don't want the craziness that I see in other Discords, some of the community members' Discord, to affect my Discord. But if he plans on shutting down the Great Hash Rate Migration Discord, I will ask users in there to hop on over. It's just you got to get verified. You got to no bots, man. If you see a bot, we got to kill it. Unless it's a bot telling us different stuff, like stats and stuff. Gandalf Gray, sorry I'm late. Just got done with baseball. How was the game? What does the 5700 XT mine mostly efficient than ETH? It's R mode only for Linux. Yeah. R mode is only for Linux. And it's actually, it works for the 6000 series as well, by the way. Not as proficient, but it does work. I ordered some risers. So Seb Chaps says, I ordered some risers version 16 10 condensers plus voltage inductors. Did you ever try those? No. What is version 16 risers? All right, so version 16 GPU risers. Because I just go to gpurisers.com and I get risers from there, but I also like, dude, I have so many risers. Oh, is this website down? Hang on. Okay, I typed it. Whoops. My bad. Yeah, because these risers are well built. They're more expensive, but they're well built. But you're talking about 16. GPU risers, different version available to miners. On mine blocks. Do you have a link of it? Like 9S is like a very popular one. And then you got 10X on various ones where you got the 6-pin SATA Molex. But I always do 6 pins only. This is a very popular one right here too. Like dual 6-pin, no Molex, no SATA. Got some lighting to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11. You're saying 16. There's the voltage regulator. Yeah. And by the way, I'm going to be, bear with me guys. I'm over here trying to talk to you guys and show you stuff that you can't see. This riser is a popular one. What else is a popular one? Let's go look at some GPU risers. This is a very popular one. You know, 0.009S, 10X, you know, gpurisers.com. These are very popular. 10 capacitors, 6 pack, 8, 4. So like this 10 one's pretty good. Let's see what was that red one I was talking about right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, but look right here. A lot of them don't have that. Ooh, a little LED. What? How much is this one? This thing. Send me those. Send me those. Now I'll buy some. That's pretty cool, man. And they even started doing thermal pads. Storage. Dang, Vistan, you just trying to put your label on everything, bro. All right now. All right now. Chill out, GP risers. Chill out. Next thing you know, you're gonna be putting your label on somebody's baby. Yeah. So I mean, it depends. Like, what do you like? These have RGB on it. These are pretty cool, actually. I never heard of this company. They got expensive risers, steel protection, only 6-pin. It looks like they got good filtering. Because like if you're pushing a lot of power through these risers, you want to make sure that they can handle it, right? It's not just the wire that fails; it's the pin connection, it's the componentry on the board itself, which is why GPU risers is so popular. But it looks like some of the Amazon sellers are trying to compete. Looks like they're coming for you guys. FebSmart's pretty good, but this is just a basic B. Look, it only has 1, 2, 3. Yep, 3, 1. And that inductor's not as good. But like this is some of the stuff that I use. And it works just fine. I did have a couple of FebSmart and Ubit go bad, but that's just age, years of this. So I'm not too concerned about it. He has Octaminers too. Smart mining rigs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys. Hey, that's business branding for you, I guess. I ain't got the capability to do that. I should have a long time ago. If I would have done that a long time ago, like start putting my brand or something on products for the mining community, I'm sure it would have done well. But I really don't care about that. All I care about is helping you guys out, making sure you guys got the data, testing out something new, fixing it, playing with it, breaking it, sharing my experience. And if it helps you guys out, I'm happy. I do need to find a way to make more money though, because this job is taking, my full-time job is taking too much time, and then I can't keep up with every little tidbit in the crypto mining community or the cryptocurrency community, and then the videos don't get as many views because it's not clickbaity enough and it doesn't cover the topics that everybody wants to talk about, and I just can't keep up with everything because it's the full-time job. Like I'm training a new employee, I got a lot of stuff going on around the house, trying to fix it up, trying to protect it, trying to secure it, trying to build a strong foundation for my family, not only like structurally, but financially. And I don't have time to keep up with everything. But I'm doing my best, guys. So thank you anyways. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for hanging out with me in today's show. Make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to get subscribed. And hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out links in the description that help support the channel. And I wish you guys the best of luck. I'm going to go work again. I got to go and take care of something for the fam. And, you can't run a marathon every day, but I sure as hell try. And I think I'm wearing myself out. I need to take a break. It was nice to take a break in St. Louis and catch up with BBT, but that wasn't really a break. That was still work, right? Because I'm trying to work on myself, and I'm trying to expand horizons and all kinds of stuff. I just need the capital to do that. So eventually we'll get there, eventually. But sooner rather than later, because this market is growing so fast and so quick, and it's so filled. It's filled with so many new users and so many new people that it is really becoming challenging to keep up. But I'll still be myself regardless of what happens. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's show. Check out some of the articles in the description. Check out some of the links in the description. And keep an eye on this guy right here. So make sure you can guys see it. Tim Biko. Make sure you give them a follow. And keep an eye on things. Because we're going to have to look for June 2nd. We're going to have to look for... We're going to have to look for June 2nd. June 8th. And July, beginning of July. There are some important dates that we need to keep an eye on. All right. So we'll see how the Ethereum merge pans out and then kind of make it go from there. Anyways, much love, much respect. Take care. I'll catch you next one.